Most enterprises migrating to the cloud investigate tools that move their content, but overlook the ways that they can make that content faster, easier, and more cost-effective to move in the first place. By employing content strategy best practices, such as robust document compression and normalization, your enterprise IT team can deliver a cloud migration project more quickly while building a repository that will be more efficient, more secure, and more sustainable over the long term. Initial considerations surrounding a cloud migration should address how useful, efficient, and easy that content will be to work with once moved to the new environment. You can use the migration to improve the speed of business processes by applying advanced compression beyond typical TIFF or G4 compression to the documents being migrated. Highly compressed documents can be downloaded and transferred from the cloud 50% faster. These documents are now optimized for sharing more easily via email and can be opened more quickly on desktops and mobile devices. Because a normalized repository is easier to automate processes around, documents bound for the new cloud environment should also be converted to a standardized format prior to the start of any ECM migration. Messy repositories with a wide range of file types kick out incompatible documents for manual inspection and review, leading to delays in customer response times and weakening the experience. By normalizing to an ISO standard content format, such as PDF or PDF-A, you can substantially reduce the amount of costly, time-intensive exception handling in your business processes. By making document processes less manual, you can leverage this digital transformation to accelerate operations and greatly improve customer experience. A global data protection index conducted by Dell found that enterprise data has grown by 569% in just 2 years. Your team can mitigate cloud budget blowout from unexpected data growth by leveraging document compression to control repository size. MRC compression is the compression method for enterprises. Lossless, robust, scalable, and can compress image documents to as little as 1% of their original file size without sacrificing quality. Like cloud migration projects also overlook hidden data egress charges. By popular services such as Microsoft Azure, cloud egress fees can reach tens of thousands of dollars per year, depending on how much cloud content your users download and utilize each month. Egress charges are especially difficult to forecast and often result in painful budget overruns when common yet unpredictable changes in business needs occur. For organizations with a large proportion of scanned documents, or TIFF, JPEG, and other image file formats in their repository, compression can curb these costs by 50% or more by restricting data usage per file accessed in the cloud. Cloud migration projects can be time-consuming and complex, so IT leaders are looking for ways to streamline the process. By using document compression on your repository, your team can greatly accelerate the transfer of documents and deliver a complete migration more quickly. The last thing your cloud migration team wants is to find that they migrated content containing viruses into their new environment. The security vulnerability of including formats such as Word documents and email in your repository comes from the fact that these documents allow for active content, including JavaScript, for example, which can contain malicious code or links and corrupt your repository. The solution is to standardize all documents to a file type that prevents this type of active content from causing harm. PDF-A are ISO standard formats that not only eliminate the security risk, but are also designed specifically to preserve your content indefinitely in a long-term accessible format. This can help to further prevent active content from altering your documents over time and causing regulatory compliance violations down the road. How are you using content strategy to protect, accelerate, and perfect your cloud migration? Contact sales_EA at foxitsoftware.com or call 1-347-292-2714 to learn more about optimizing your cloud migration today. By popular service